So eye strain in the evening can weaken your eyes, but eye strain in the morning when your brain is refreshed does not weaken your eyes, it strengthens your eyes. Vision is one of the most critical senses we have, yet many of us don't think much about it until we start to have problems. Sunshine strengthens the eyes too. Never should we look at the sun, we know that, but just being outside, the ultraviolet rays from the sun go through neurochemical pathways and hit different parts of your brain. You see, your eyes are an extension of your brain. Nowadays, more people are experiencing vision issues, and this is due to several factors such as getting older, making unhealthy lifestyle choices, spending too much time in front of screens, and even environmental factors. The World Health Organization reports that over 2 billion people around the world deal with some form of visual impairment or blindness. In this video, we talk about how you can improve your eyesight naturally. We'll cover some helpful exercises, nutrients, and other natural methods that can make a difference. Be sure to watch the video until the end, like it, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Our eyes are incredibly specialized organs that help us receive visual information and send it to the brain, which processes it into the images we see. However, like any other part of the body, our eyes can weaken over time. As we age, we may encounter problems like blurry vision, deteriorating eyesight, and in severe cases, complete vision loss. Taking care of our eyes is about more than just seeing clearly. Healthy vision plays a key role in maintaining our balance, spatial awareness, and overall quality of life. Poor vision, especially when it worsens gradually, can interfere with daily activities, reduce independence, and negatively impact our sense of well-being. Some common vision problems include blurry vision, worsening eyesight, cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. Blurry vision often results from refractive errors like nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism, which occur when the eye doesn't focus light correctly. Worsening eyesight in people over 50 is commonly linked to age-related macular degeneration (AMD), which affects central vision and makes it hard to see details. Cataracts cause clouding of the eye's lens, leading to gradual blurry vision. Glaucoma involves damage to the optic nerve, often due to high eye pressure, and can lead to permanent vision loss if untreated. Diabetic retinopathy, caused by high blood sugar, damages the retina's blood vessels and is a leading cause of blindness in working-age adults. Impact of lifestyle and environmental factors. Our lifestyle choices and environment significantly impact the health of our eyes. Prolonged screen time can cause digital eye strain, leading to symptoms like dry eyes, headaches, and blurry vision. The blue light emitted by digital devices can also damage retinal cells over time. Additionally, a diet lacking essential nutrients such as vitamin A, lutein, and omega-3 fatty acids can prevent your eyes from getting the nourishment they need to stay healthy and function optimally. Other factors such as smoking and excessive UV light exposure can further endanger your eye health. Smoking reduces blood flow to the eyes, while UV rays accelerate the aging of eye tissues. For this reason, wearing sunglasses that block UV rays is crucial to protect your eyes from potential harm. In just a few minutes, we'll explore the top 2 ways to keep your eyes healthy and avoid vision problems. Eye exercises and the power of rebounding. As we age, many people assume their vision will naturally decline, but this isn't always the case. A lesser-known way to maintain healthy eyes and even improve vision is through eye exercises. While most think of glasses, contacts, or surgery for vision correction, these exercises can strengthen your eye muscles, potentially improving clarity. Additionally, a growing activity called rebounding benefits both overall health and eye health in surprising ways. Eye exercise is a simple way to improve vision. Just like any muscle, the ones around your eyes can weaken over time, especially with modern habits like screen use and reading. Eye exercises help strengthen these muscles, improving focus and reducing strain. They also train your eyes to shift focus more easily, which can help with conditions like presbyopia, the difficulty in focusing on close objects as you age. Here are some simple exercises to try. 1. Palming. Rub your hands together, then gently place them over your closed eyes. The warmth relaxes eye muscles and eases tension, helping with eye fatigue from screen time. 2. Eye rolling. Slowly roll your eyes in circles clockwise and then counterclockwise. This increases blood flow and muscle flexibility. 3. Focus shifting. Hold your thumb 10 in a way and focus on it for 15 seconds. Then shift focus to a distant object for another 15 seconds. This helps with quick focus adjustments. 4. Figure 8 movement. Imagine a large figure 8 and trace it with your eyes. This improves muscle coordination and reduces strain. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help strengthen your eyes and improve your vision, especially if you experience digital eye strain or do a lot of close-up work. Rebounding. Enhancing eye health through lymphatic stimulation rebounding, a low-impact exercise involving bouncing on a small trampoline has gained attention for its potential benefits to eye health, known to stimulate the lymphatic system, improve circulation and aid in detoxifying the body. How does it specifically help your eyes? The lymphatic system helps remove waste and toxins, including those in the eyes. Good blood flow and proper lymph drainage are crucial for keeping your eyes healthy and preventing issues like cataracts, macular degeneration, or glaucoma. The gentle movement of rebounding promotes lymph flow, reduces inflammation, and enhances nutrient delivery to the eyes. Other benefits include improved circulation. Bouncing raises your heart rate, boosting blood flow to your eyes, delivering oxygen and nutrients, and removing waste more efficiently. Immune support. A stronger immune system helps prevent infections and inflammation. Protect in your eyes from long-term damage. The science behind rebounding impact on eye health. Rebounding has been found to help lower intraocular pressure, IOP, a key factor in conditions like glaucoma, which can damage the optic nerve and lead to vision loss. By improving lymphatic drainage and reducing eye pressure, rebounding offers a natural way to protect your eyes. It also supports retinal health by boosting blood circulation, ensuring the retina gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. This improved circulation may help prevent or delay age-related issues like macular degeneration. Let's talk about some natural remedies that can help improve and maintain perfect vision. Natural remedies. Castor oil for cataracts and glaucoma. Many people are searching for a natural way to support their eye health, especially for conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. While modern treatments are available, castor oil has gained popularity as a natural remedy that may help ease symptoms with its antioxidants, fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory properties. Castor oil could potentially support traditional treatments and keep your vision healthy. What are cataracts and glaucoma? Before exploring castor oil's benefits, it's important to understand cataracts and glaucoma and their effects on the eyes. Cataracts occur when the eye's lens becomes cloudy, causing blurry vision, difficulty seeing at night, and possibly blindness if untreated. Aging is the main cause, but factors like UV exposure, smoking, diabetes, and long-term steroid use can speed up the process. Glaucoma damages the optic nerve, often due to high eye pressure, leading to vision loss if untreated. There are two types: open-angle glaucoma, which progresses slowly, and narrow-angle glaucoma, which can cause sudden vision loss and requires urgent care. Both conditions are common in older adults, and while cataract surgery and medicated drops for glaucoma are effective, some are turning to natural options like castor oil to support overall eye health. How castor oil may benefit eye health. Castor oil, extracted from the castor plant, has long been used for its healing properties. It's rich in rhinic acid, a fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Here's how it may help your eyes. 1. Moisturizing. Castor oil hydrates and locks in moisture, helping with dry and irritated eyes, a common issue for people with cataracts or glaucoma. It can act as a natural barrier to keep eyes comfortable. 2. Reducing inflammation. Inflammation is a factor in both cataracts and glaucoma. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil may help reduce inflammation and slow disease progression, particularly by lowering intraocular pressure in glaucoma. 3. Improving circulation. Castor oil may boost blood flow, helping to deliver nutrients to the eyes and potentially slow down eye degeneration. 4. Antioxidant protection. Castor oil contains vitamin E and other antioxidants that help protect the eyes from free radical damage, which can lead to cataracts. Castor oil for cataracts. While surgery is the go-to treatment for cataracts, some people turn to castor oil as a natural option to possibly slow down early-stage cataracts. There are reports from alternative health practitioners that applying cold-pressed organic castor oil directly to the eyes regularly may help dissolve cataracts over time. However, it's important to know that scientific research on castor oil's ability to reverse cataracts is still limited. That being said, castor oil's moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant benefits can help create a healthier environment in the eye, potentially preserving your vision. If you want to try castor oil, be sure to use a sterile, hexane-free version specifically made for the eyes. This is crucial, as improper use can lead to infections or further irritation. Castor oil for glaucoma. Glaucoma requires long-term care to prevent vision loss, with the primary goal being to lower eye pressure. While castor oil doesn't directly lower intraocular pressure, it may offer support by reducing inflammation and improving circulation. These factors are key in maintaining healthy eye pressure. Additionally, castor oil's moisturizing effect can help with dry eyes, which are common when using medicated eye drops to treat glaucoma. Some believe that castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties could indirectly benefit glaucoma patients by protecting the optic nerve from further damage. However, it's important to remember that CR oil should not replace your prescribed treatments, but rather serve as a complementary option. Scientific perspective on CR oil for eye health. CR oil shows potential as a natural remedy for eye health, but most of the evidence comes from traditional medicine and personal stories. There are still few modern studies on its effectiveness for issues like cataracts or glaucoma. It's best to use it as a complement therapy alongside treatments like surgery or eye drops before trying any new remedy. Always consult your eye doctor to ensure it's safe for you. As more research is done, we hope to get clearer advice on how castor oil can support eye health. Next, we'll explore how specific vitamins and nutrients help protect your eyes and prevent age-related vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. The role of diet in eye health. Your diet plays a major role in keeping your eyes healthy and preventing common vision problems as you age. What you eat directly impacts your eye health, providing essential nutrients to keep them functioning well and protecting against conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration, and dry eyes. As you get older, it's even more important to eat foods rich in specific vitamins and minerals that support eye health. In this section, we'll explore the key nutrients that help preserve your vision and how including them in your diet can safeguard your eyesight. Key nutrients for eye health. 1. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for clear vision. It helps produce retin, a pigment in the retina that enables us to see in low light. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to night blindness, dry eyes, or even complete blindness. Foods rich in vitamin A include carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and liver. These foods also contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A2. Lutein and xanthan. Lutein and xanthan are antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and UV rays. These nutrients are highly concentrated in the macula, which controls central vision. Research suggests that lutein and xanthan can lower the risk of a related macular degeneration (MD) and cataracts by filtering harmful light and reducing oxidative stress. You can find them in foods like spinach, kale, egg yolks, and corn. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA and EPA, help maintain the health of cell membranes in your eyes, reduce inflammation, and support T production. Great for combating dry eyes. Studies show that a diet rich in omega-3s can lower the risk of developing AMD and glaucoma. Great sources include salmon, mackerel, and sardines, while vegetarians can opt for chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from free radical damage. It's crucial for the health of your blood vessels, including those in the retina. Vitamin C has also been shown to slow the development of cataracts. According to the American Optometric Association, high levels of vitamin C reduce the risk of cataracts by 20%. You can find it in oranges, lemons, grapefruits, bell peppers, and broccoli. 5. Zinc. Zinc supports enzymes in the retina and helps vitamin A produce melanin, which protects your eyes. It's particularly important for night vision and preventing macular degeneration. Studies suggest that zinc supplements can slow AMD progression in high-risk individuals. Zinc-rich foods include oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas. 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that works with vitamin C to protect your eye cells from damage. Research suggests that it may help reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD by safeguarding delicate eye cells. You can get vitamin E from nut seeds and vegetable oils, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and wheat germ oil. The impact of a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet full of the nutrients mentioned above is key to long-term eye health. Studies have shown that a diet low in antioxidants and omega-3s can speed up the development of age-related eye diseases. On the other hand, eating nutrient-dense foods can greatly reduce the risk of eye conditions like cataracts, glaucoma,